Let's take a look at a problem now that wants us to find a missing endpoint. They tell us the coordinates of one of the endpoints, and we already know the coordinates of the midpoint, and they want us to find where the other endpoint is located. Let's go ahead and write our midpoint formula down here one more time. It's equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, and then y1 plus y2 over 2. Really, this becomes two very simple algebra problems to set up and solve with this. We set up, let's deal with the x-coordinate of this other endpoint first. So we know the x-coordinate of the midpoint. I can see right there, they tell me the midpoint it has coordinates 1, 7. So the x-coordinate of the midpoint is 1. And I'm going to set that equal to this. I know the x-coordinate of one of the endpoints, -3. I don't know the other x-coordinate. I'm just going to put x there instead of writing x2 with the subscript, divided by 2. I need to solve this equation. Well, to solve this equation, I multiply both sides by 2. If I multiply both sides by 2, that cancels that 2. 2 times 1 over there is 2. I have -3 plus x is equal to the 2. And then to get rid of the -3 right there, I need to add 3. And I get 5 is equal to x right there. So I've actually found the x-coordinate of the other endpoint right there to be 5. And I need to do a very similar thing to find the y-coordinate of the other endpoint. I know the y-coordinate of the midpoint is 7. I know the y-coordinate of the one endpoint is 5. Plus, I don't know the other y-coordinate, divided by 2. So again, I'm just setting the known coordinate of the midpoint equal to this part of the formula here. And then solving. Multiply both sides by 2 again. I get 14 equals 5 plus y. Subtract 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So the y-coordinate of that other endpoint should be 9. So altogether, now I've found the coordinates of the other endpoint right here to be 5, 9. Again, I probably could have done that much faster without using the formula if I just thought about it, or especially if I had graph paper, I could just kind of look at it and count off, keep the rise over run consistent. I've gone from one end up and over to the middle, go up and over the same amount again, and you'll be where the other endpoint should be.